Checking out this Ear Pro from Walker. It's called their Razor model. Let's open them up. These come in a couple of different colors. This is their flat dark earth. Nice. They've got a slim fit. They're tapered at the bottom here. They expand. They have hinges, so they can adapt to your head or your ears with a hat or over a hat. Got a nice comfortable strap here. It's padded inside. It's a rigid nylon on the outside. Nice durable. On the inside you've got the foam. They say that they're 27. The noise reduction rating is 27, which makes them great for reducing noise, but still being able to hear people talk without having to shout real loud. And these are very lightweight. Nice, durable, lightweight Ear Pro from Walker called the Razor. Hope this helped.